OMG. I literally just slipped and fell on my floor. It's so pink. Oh my gosh, it's so pink. Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be bleaching my hair again, but not like that. I'm just going to be doing like my front pieces because I feel like I just need to like do the face framing pieces and lift it up a little bit higher. And then also I'm going to be using this Electric Paradise pink hair dye, and this is supposed to be like vegan, cruelty free, no peroxide, no ammonia, no alcohol in it, so it shouldn't be too bad for my hair. And then I'm also going to use it with conditioner to dilute the color because it's supposed to be really pink, and I'm kind of like trying to go for the pastel look if it even works on my hair. I'm just gonna see how it turns out and show you guys the process. Please give this video a like and make sure you're subscribed, and then I'll show you guys my process. So I'm watching some YouTube videos just in case to see how I should part my hair. So I'm just gonna watch this and see.
We'll see. Have a little bit more. So I'm going to light your hair. And if you've ever watched any of my other foiling videos, typically I do the foil.
So I parted my hair like this so far, and I'm just gonna watch the rest of her video to see. So I watched like a couple videos. They're watching a drama. But I watched a couple videos, so I think I know how to do it. I'm trying to like do like the money piece kind of highlights, but I'm nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the bleach that I always use, which is the Schwarzkopf, whatever, 20 bleach, and then 20 volume. I'm not gonna leave the 20 volume on that long because my hair is already like colored or bleached here. So we will see how that goes. There was one video that I'll link down below where she made it seem pretty easy to do. So I'm going to follow her video and I will link it in the description. But she basically starts from these pieces because she mentioned how if you tie your hair up a lot, you want these pieces to be colored a lot. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully this turns out nicely because it's kind of scary. So what she did in the video, I'll also just link it down below. I already said that, but she got the side pieces and then she teased it. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna back comb this. Is that good? I'm really bad at this. First one down. I should have worn gloves. This is like my third or fourth strand, and I really don't know what it's gonna look like. The end pieces, I have a really tough time getting them to stay. I literally look like an idiot right now. My camera died, but I'm now on the other side. Look at that. Okay. My folding of the foil progressively got worse. You know, it just keeps, I don't know. I really just don't know how to fold foil. Maybe I was supposed to do it on the non-shiny side. Nope, never mind. Okay. This side. Okay guys, so I got these sides down And now I'm gonna start in the front. OMG. Okay guys, I did one layer of the top part. I don't know what I'm doing. It's taking a lot longer than I thought it would. She like kind of weaved it, so I'm gonna try doing that. I'm getting frustrated. Part out, and then do this. I finally finished. Why did that take me forever? It's 5. I don't know what time I started, I forgot. But here are some strands that I took out because I don't need to keep them in for that long. I'm gonna leave the top pieces in a little longer and then wash it out. Guys, so I kind of got impatient and I took out the pieces. But I think it's fine because it did brighten. So let me go ahead and wash this out. I'm gonna shampoo my hair and then I'll be back to color it. I literally just slipped and fell. I literally just slipped and fell on my floor. I am gonna have to bring this front piece up. I should have just done that from the start. I didn't really need to do like all the face framing stuff I was trying to do. Okay guys, so I think I figured out what I'm gonna do. I like really just want these two pieces to be really blonde, like up here. I'm just gonna try bleaching this part here and hopefully that fixes everything. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like right now. As you can see, I redid this piece, but it's not, it looks really orange because I didn't leave it in long enough. But honestly, at this point, I don't care. It might look cool with the pink. Let me go ahead and get started with the pink hair dye. Finally, it's so pink. Oh my gosh, it's so pink. Okay, so I'm gonna do this color. I don't know where to start. Oh my god, I spilled on myself. I'm gonna get most of my hair pink and then come back when I'm done. I've gotten to the point where I'm just putting it in my hand now because it's much easier this way. Drum roll. I tried to get all of my hairs. I'm gonna have to look at that clip again to see if I got the back. If this is what it looks like when I take it off, then I will be satisfied. Kind of hard because I was scared I was gonna run out, and I kind of am actually. But we will see. I'm gonna leave it in and see how this turns out. I wish I had more blonde pieces in my hair. For some reason, I thought my hair was like all blonde, but apparently it's not. I have a lot of black pieces. It said to cover your hair, so I'm just gonna put this on really quick. So I'm gonna finish watching my drama and put on my makeup again. Guys, so this is what my hair ended up looking like. I was going for a more pastel color, but I know that this is probably gonna be fading anyways, so I'm kind of fine with how it looks. I'm about to curl it, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I style my hair. Kind of looks like I have like the e-girl thing, but I feel like it would look better if I curled it, so I will show you guys what it looks like curled. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like when it's all styled. It's the next day, and I was going for like a pastel pink color, but I think it'll fade. It is a little like, it kind of looks in the camera more red, but it's like a neon pink. And I saw pictures of other people's hair and their hair ends up fading to like a lighter pink, so I'm fine with this for now. It was kind of hard because I wasn't sure if I was supposed to mix it with conditioner or not, so that's why there's some pieces that are more colored than the others. But what do you guys think? I kind of like it. I think I might try other colors later when this fades out. But if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.